I'm Philip Lash. I'm off-road product planning at Yamaha. Today we're out in Union, South Carolina. So we're in a GNCC hare scramble type condition. And we're out here because we're riding this YZ250FX. So there's some key changes from the motocross version that make it specialized for these areas. The engine is smoother power character for a moto model. You know, you kind of want a nice hit coming out of the corner. We want to smooth that out for these kind of conditions. The transmission is a wide ratio 6-speed. There's a large variance of speeds in GNCC off-road. So you guys in California and out in the desert, it'll go plenty fast, but it also has the ability to go really slow, first gear, half clutch through technical terrain. Moving on to the chassis, yeah, it has the same suspension components as the motocross models, just been tuned for this kind of conditions again. The damping character is different, softer spring rates. The chassis also has different tuned engine mounts, again for this compliance. It has an 18-inch rear wheel that has a larger sidewall, so less pinch flats. It has a sealed O-ring chain, and also it has a side stand. So that's a quick overview of the bike. So let's turn it over to the riders.
What's up guys, just got off the 2019 YZ250FX. This model isn't as changed as some of the other models as last year. The suspension overall, it's a little on the soft side for me. I'm used to more of the motocross style. Chassis is the same as last year. It handles pretty well. Other than the 18-inch rear wheel, electric start, and wider gear ratio, this bike is really close to the 2018 motocross model. First and second gear worked really well in the tight stuff. There was a little gap between second and third to get up to that higher speed, but once you reach fourth, fifth, and sixth, the bike just felt like it pulled forever. This model still uses the handheld mapping module, which is available through Yamaha's accessory department, and with that you can change how you want your power delivered, how you want your bike to react in certain situations. We've really enjoyed being out here in South Carolina. We're excited to get these bikes back to California and really get into the details of the differences between the off-road model and the motocross model and ride some terrain that we're a little bit more used to.